What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Swamp Boys Garage channel. This is going to be our most action-packed video to date. We finally found a frame guy after going to every body shop in our city and nobody wanted to help us. And if it wasn't for this guy, we would have probably had to sell the car or just part it out. And this guy is really unbelievable. I took the car there already and he showed me around his shop and all the stuff he does. And this guy is like a true craftsman or metal artisan, whatever you want to call it. But he has built some stuff. He can hand fabricate anything. And this is like the perfect guy to help us. And he agreed to let us bring our cameras, get some video. And he wants to help us, teach us. I mean, this is like a godsend. So I'm going to put his link. I think he has a YouTube channel. He only has a couple videos. But his channel is Steel Tree Fabricating and Customs. So if you would, I'll put a link, maybe write it on the screen. Go to his channel and just tell him thank you so much for helping Swamp Boys Garage. That'd be a huge favor for us if you just go there and just tell him thank you so much. So some other news, you know how we bought the GMC Denali. It's still in Pennsylvania. I paid for shipping with Copart. Paid $2,000 for shipping, and it's been, I guess, 5 weeks, and we still haven't got the truck. I call every week, and they always tell me we don't have anybody to deliver it yet. So I don't know if we're ever gonna get it. And my Tundra, it's just, I don't think it could handle pulling a 3/4 ton truck back. That's just too far away in Pennsylvania. So I don't know what we're gonna do there. But we got another build sitting right here. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. I'll give you a hint. It's blue. It's old. It's probably from the 60s. It's rusty. It's got 2 flat tires. All the wires are burned up on it. It's gonna be probably a 3-episode build. It's not a car. It's not a truck. It's not an ATV. So I don't know if you can guess what it is. It's nothing great, but it's gonna be some fun content. And it's something that we need to use a little bit. So we packed up, we're ready to go. This guy, Edward, he lives about an hour and a half from us. It's somewhere between Bogalusa, Louisiana and Picayune, Mississippi, somewhere up in that area. So it's a good little drive, but I'm excited. We're gonna learn a lot. We're gonna be cutting, first he's got a frame machine. We're gonna pull the frame, get it straight. We're gonna cut the frame out. We already bought another frame section, and we're gonna section that in and weld it all in. It's gonna come out nice. It's gonna be a very informative video. You're gonna learn a lot, and you're gonna see some action. So stay tuned, and make sure you stay to the end of the video. And please make sure you go to his channel and thank him for helping us, because this build would be over if it wasn't for him. And let's pack it up and get on the road.
Alright guys, we're all loaded up. We're heading to the frame shop. We hope to get it done today, but if not, it's no big deal. We can always come back tomorrow.
Yeah, I brought the car the other day, so it's already there, and it should be on the frame rack now. And it's about an hour and a half away from our house, so it's a good little drive. So we're hoping we'll finish up today. If not, we should definitely be able to finish by tomorrow. So we'll get a little footage of the drive there, and then we will see you at the frame shop.
See you then.
thing I would tell a person to do is to same track. And then when you're going to steer, you go like that a little bit, like that. Then you go like so. See that? Making a dent across that panel. You're pushing it up in all directions.
How do you get it to go like back this
Go
way?
back to you. All the way. One more. Right there. Now steer it the way you want to go. Like that. That's going to, that'll take you to your left. Yeah, we're probably going to have to take some arms off. Take them off and put them back on. Let me get an impact and a socket here. Crooked.
Alright guys, we got the frame machine under the car right now. We got the suspension off again, sitting over there. Now we're getting ready to chain it down and then start pulling on it. And then we got another section of frame out here that we're going to cut and splice into it. So let's get to work. Alright, so far so good. We got the car tied down. If you look under here,
See all the chains and the ratchet straps and all that? The car is tight.
we got this hydraulic ram hooked up. We're going to fabricate. We was going to use our old broken piece, but this is aluminum, so if we try to pull on this, it's just going to break again. It's too weak. So we're going to fabricate a hook, and that way we can hook this up to it and pull the frame that way. So we're going to get that made and then start trying to pull on it. Alright guys, this is the next day and we're back at the frame shop. We got a lot of work done yesterday. We got this frame section here cut out. And we're still making some pulls on that frame. You see the front bar, it's a little bit raised up on one side. We got to pull that down. Go back about a 1/4 inch that way. And we're going to take this frame that we borrowed at Dino's Corvette salvage, section it. We're going to weld it in over here. We're still trying to pull some of the frame out. We're going to section it all out right here and put the new frame in and just weld it all in. Alright, so we got the new frame cut and spliced and put in. It went in perfect. We left this big window cut out right here. That way we can weld this back seam up. Otherwise, you can't get to it from the back side. So we had to leave a window, so we weld this first, then put this on, and then weld it all up. And that way it's staggered, plus we're able to get a good weld on the back side. So far everything's going perfect, and can't complain, it's doing good. So we shouldn't have too much longer. Get this fitted in a little better. Maybe a few more little pulls with this and get it welded in. Alright, so now the frame's all fitted in and and we're gonna get it welded up, and should be it. Get that one first weld on the back side, and then we'll probably put another strip of metal, that way it'll be double welded on the back, and then we'll put the window up and weld that in.
Alright guys, we're back from the frame shop. We got a lot of work done. We have so much progress, and the frame is now straight. We got the old frame out and the new frame is welded in. It is looking really good. And Mr. Edwards is a very good guy. I learned a lot from him and he really loves teaching. I'm going to leave his channel down below, and please go comment thank you, because he really helped us out on this frame on the Corvette. And on our way home, we stopped at the post office and we had a package in our P.O. box. And do you want to go get it and tell them what's in it?
Yeah, 1 second.
So let's review that and see all what we got.
Alright, so SuperClean reached out to us, and they asked by email, and they asked if they can send us something. They said they love our channel and they love the father-son little team that we have going on, and they wanted to send us something to help us get our channel going. So let's see what they sent us. Let's see what it is. Ooh, got some shirts.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Let's see. Purple shirt.
What's the size?
That is a small, so it must be for you.
Thank you, SuperClean.
That's a nice shirt. Watch it be too small. 2 shirts for you. Oh, I got a large. That's my size too. Nice shirt. We got 2 hats. That is nice. Let's see the stuff they sent us. Wheel cleaner. We'll clean the Vette up with that. That'll be perfect.
I'll use that a lot.
Dissolves grease. Ooh, that's gonna be perfect for our build right here.
Stay tuned.
We need that bad. And here's some more dissolves grease. So we can use both of these. Oh, and they got us some multi-purpose floor absorbent. So our build right now is leaking oil, so we probably need to use this right now. So this is great. Thank you so much, SuperClean. This is going to come in super handy, and we really appreciate it. And stay tuned, because the next video that we have coming from the frame shop is going to be super fire, and you're not going to want to miss it. And we will see you next time.